Attorney Campbell, you will get to answer this one first. How should the state's attorney treat first and young offenders?
Get them out of the criminal justice system. Absolutely, as fast as possible, get them away from the courthouse. Get them away from lawyers, get them away from judges, get them away from police officers. You've got to take young offenders and divert them away from the system. If you take young people and you bring them into the criminal justice system, you're forcing them to mingle with criminals. You have to divert them out of the system. You have to get them counseling. You have to get them in Little League. You have to get them in some productive endeavor that keeps them out of trouble. By the time that kid comes walking through the courtroom doors, and he now is people of the state of Illinois versus 10-year-old kid, we have all failed as a society. I think the most cost-effective way to reduce crime is to absolutely prevent young children from coming into the criminal justice system, and do that with our churches, with our counselors, and most importantly, with our families.
Thank you. And Attorney Ray, same question.
Maybe I took the question a different way, because I didn't take it when we're talking about first and young offenders as being juvenile. I believe that we're talking about, or at least I thought that the question was more directed toward young adults. I have already publicly stated in any forum that I've been given, both in writing and verbally, that I will institute a diversion program very similar to the one that's in Kane County that has been there for years and has worked for years for first-time felony offenders that are nonviolent, so that they will have the opportunity to better themselves and not have a permanent conviction on their record, which then puts them more likely back into the system. Insofar as a variety of factors in the misdemeanor level, I think we have to look at programs where, again, we use the compassion of understanding that there's two types of people charged with crimes: criminals and people that are in the wrong place at the wrong time or having a bad day. And you don't treat them the same way. You can't have cookie-cutter justice and consider yourself a prosecutor.
Thank
it
you
just
for your
can't
comments.
be.